Okay, so now we're going to do a demonstration of replacing the screen. So once the screen or the roller needs replacing, we're going to go ahead and do a deassemble, and then we can go from there. So here we go. So first thing you want to do is take the handle off. There's 2 screws behind on the back side. Okay. So now we'll take the catch basket off. Okay. And you're gonna want, then you have 2 more screws right here. You got one up here on this top brace and one on this bottom brace. So for me, it would work easiest to have this on the top. Take this out, take this one out. Okay, now we're gonna so, just like that. Now, let's say we're going to replace the screen. On the back side of the screen, there's a little lip sometimes. You want that facing on the back side of the roller. So when it comes, you want it over here. That way when it this rubs up against, so there's no edge right here that's going to rub up against any distractions. So we'll just take this other screen here. So checking back side, looks good. So we go right over here. And you know, I'm gonna back up a little bit. So you can order a extra roller. It comes just exactly like this. Now, I don't know if any of these have ever wore out, to be honest with you. But it is nice to have it because depending on the use, I mean, it could wear out within a year. We don't know. So anyways, slide that over there. You gotta do this simultaneously. Okay. Okay, and then holes are lined up. All right. Tension's good. Let's install the basket. Okay, there it is. All right, so there you go. That was the assembly, a full assembly, and you're ready to go again. So thank you and have a great day.